Note to self. Individually and collectively, we are awakening from an energetic identity crisis, one in which we held on to familiar and comfortable identities. This is the foundation of dis-ease and depression. We have depressed awareness of our true nature, and we're stuck in a loop of suppression, repression, oppression, replication, and duplication. We are now realizing that there is no norm because we each are individual, unique expressions of one source that is perpetually exploring, expanding, changing, and evolving.